In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off easy mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to tap on this section called accessibility and convenience. Now scroll again, this time to click on simple mode available here and tap on enter simple mode to activate it. Wait. And as you can see, after a few seconds, easy mode was successfully enabled. Quick tip, after entering it, make sure to close settings in the background or they will glitch to a standard mode. Then you can open them again to see simple layout. Now, in case of exiting simple mode, hit settings, scroll all the way down and click on exit simple mode at the bottom. Confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!